Join us for an inspiring Nobel Laureate lecture titled Taking a Scientific Approach to Science and Engineering Education by Professor Carl Wieman, one of the great minds who reshaped modern physics and science education. Professor Wieman created the first Bose-Einstein condensate in an ultra-cold atomic gas, turning a 70-year-old theory into visible quantum reality. Along with Eric A. Cornell and Wolfgang Ketterle, this pioneering work opened a whole new field of ultra-cold quantum gas research. His groundbreaking work gave physicists an entirely new state of matter to explore, where millions of atoms behave as a single quantum wave. This has opened the door to new approaches in precision measurements, advanced atomic clocks, quantum simulation, ultra-sensitive quantum sensors, and emerging quantum technologies. In this special lecture, Professor Wieman will discuss how research on learning and classroom experiments are revealing more effective ways to teach and evaluate science and engineering, shaping a modern approach to science education for the 21st century. Join us live on the 31st January 2026 at 9:30 a.m. IST in an online Zoom session organized by Bhaktivedanta Institute, Kolkata. Don't miss this unique opportunity to hear from a true pioneer of modern physics. Register now.